All right, fifth graders. So for week 2, you will explain the influences of status, ethnic origin, race, gender, and age on the interactions of individuals through researching a culture other than your own. So that sounds like a lot, but basically what you're going to do is pick a culture other than your own. There is a list here to kind of get you started. Of course, you don't have to pick from this list. Um, these are just to kind of get you started. You'll create a Venn diagram comparing and contrasting some of the different parts of the cultures. Make sure to look at religion, celebrations, family, jobs, types of food, and so on. Next week, you'll be creating a presentation on that culture, on a second culture. This link here is just one type of Venn that you could use. You can do a Venn diagram on Google Drawing. You could do it by hand. On our elementary Blackboard page, there's a resource under literacy. There's just like graphic organizers, and there's a Venn diagram there as well. So kind of just getting those wheels turning and starting to do a comparison of a culture to your own. Your week 2 literacy connection is you're looking at your family's history and culture. Let the world know who you are and why. Suggested method for research is to interview. Interview your family members for any information that you can get on further understanding your history and family's culture. For your math connection, it's cooking and math. So this week, it is optional. So you don't feel like you have to do this. It's just as you do research on other cultures, you may want to take it to the kitchen. Try out some foods from different cultures. So there's lots of, well, there's 3 options here. And of course, these are not all that's out there. If you find another cultural recipe or if you know one that you want to share out, you can do that as well. And then that's it for the week. If you have any questions as you're working, don't hesitate to ask your teacher.